Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be talking about how you can download the Indeed job search app on your Android device. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So the first thing you need to do is open the Play Store app and check whether Indeed job app is available in your region or not. If it's not available in your region, then you just need to go back and choose a web browser of your preference and type in the URL indeed-job-search.en.softonic.com. Once you type in, you will be redirected to a page where you can find the free APK download option. So you need to simply tap on it, and after you tap it on, you can get the APK version of Indeed job search downloaded on your device. So as the download process starts, after a few minutes of wait, the file will be finally downloaded and you need to click on the install option to it to get installed on your device. So once the Indeed job search app gets downloaded and installed in your device, it will go through a security scan. So after the security process is done, you need to simply click it open and you are ready with your Indeed job search app on your Android device. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.